Why limit switches on your curtain are really important. We get this question over and over. How do I set the limit switches and why does it matter? And why it matters is terribly important. Here you can see a guy cranking one up by hand. If you're cranking it up by hand, you know when you're at the top and you're coming down, it always stops at the bottom. When you're going up, it goes hard and you stop at the top. These little limit switches set where the motor stops. This motor travels up and down. As the curtain goes up, the motor goes up with it. This goes with the curtain. So if you don't have your top limit set, the thing wing ying 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 ying, it winds up and it gets to the whole top and it'll just lug down and it'll either trip your fuse if you've got it set correctly, or it can rip things up. So it's really dreadfully important that you set the limit switches on each and every curtain motor when you're installing it from the get-go. Don't forget to do it because the next guy that comes along won't remember. So overall, you've got two knobs, one for the top limit, one for the bottom limit. It got to be set or things just won't work right. You'll have two motors. Here you can see a top curtain, bottom curtain. You'll have two of these, one down here and one right there. And you've got to set the limit switches on each one. It is very important.